Hello, iLearners. If you've made it to this video, you have come to the right place to learn about the project rubric overview. The way you get to the project rubric is on the right side of our agenda page. You click on the top button called Project Rubric, and that will take you directly to the Google Doc containing that rubric. And I'll blow it up so you can see a little bit better. But basically, if you're not familiar, a rubric is simply an outline of how you will be assessed or graded in a given class, and in this case, the iLearn independent learning class. And you'll see in the top left it says independent learning, and down the left side are a series of indicators, which I will go through very briefly in just a moment. And then each header across the top identifies um, the levels to which you're meeting those indicators. So, for example, you're just getting started by the descriptions in this first column. You are developing a certain skill, which is the next step up by the descriptions in this column. You are proficient, meaning you can do these things effectively by the descriptions in this column. You have reached mastery, which means you have exceeded the level of proficiency and you have a very firm handle on each of the skills. And then lastly, all the descriptions in this column would far exceed the expectations. This would be the highest level of functioning for each of the different indicators for independent learning. So the indicators are as follow. Down the left-hand side, we have perseverance, which is your ability to handle obstacles. You have inquiry, which is the way in which you generate ideas and questions to pursue. You have time management, which is how you plan ahead and budget your time when it comes to working on your project. You have accountability, which is how you follow through with any tasks, appointment, or errands you need to take care of that are related to your project. You also have your ability to demonstrate your learning, which is how you showed what you've learned once you've learned it. And lastly, you have this idea of self-advocacy, which is even though you're going to be an independent learner, independent learners also know when they need help. So the question that relates to that is how you seek out help when you need it. There's going to be a series of 6 videos following this one. This was the simple overview, but each of the videos will break down the categories of indicators for the independent learning in greater detail. And then, of course, if there's questions beyond those videos, you are more than welcome to discuss those in class with myself or Mr. Noonan. Thanks for watching.